So, what's up? I promised that I'll actually do a kind of walkthrough on Firebase. So I am doing the walkthrough of Firebase. So normally you can actually save Firebase on your phone if you want to monitor your console, or you can actually have it on your computer, which is basically a computer. You can do things like build, release, and monitor. Some people don't really use Firebase a lot because of they feel like it's not scalable, but I feel that it's actually scalable. Yeah, Firebase is literally scalable. So though normally I barely use Firebase unless for like some applications that are like not really too extended. Like if I'm building things like a journal, I don't really use Fire. I use Firebase. Sorry, but for bigger things, you might want to use things like MongoDB or probably DigitalOcean if you want to build stuff like that. Yeah. I think after this, I might do a class on HTTP request, like give a kind of surface walkthrough. You can actually come into my DMs or you can actually email me or something like that, right? If you want a full walkthrough, if you want a full class on HTTP request using Postgres and all those stuff, or everything you want. Anything HTTP request is you know really useful. So I have my VS Code open. Oh, sorry, wrong. So basically, okay. So basically, this is a project I was building. This thing with I'm building, and I was using Firebase with this particular project. So this is um, basically where all this stuff will be. I know I'm supposed to show you guys this, but I'm going to change it eventually. So, yeah. So what you do is that you get started. Click on get started. Getting started should literally take you to the Firebase console. So that is where you will see your projects. I like this animation, but I think someone might actually. I want to listen fast. I want to know how much power rangers I'm doing that. Is this new power rangers? So these are some of the things I've actually done with. I've actually used Firebase to test. Though the Firebase can be used to host. You can literally host your web app, your website, your app, whether iOS or Android, using you know you can host your this thing. You can host it using this thing Firebase, and there are different configurations for different platforms. There's a different configuration for web, a different one for Android, and a different one for iOS. So what you do is you click on Add Project. You can just click on it. They can give you a name, so you can just click on My Project 1000 something. Then it will automatically give you these options. Then all this. You click on Select Account. You can select your default Firebase account. Then Add Firebase. Then let's go in the debug. Is it uncomfortable? Check. Anyways, this laptop is using so. Okay, so it says the new product is ready. So it goes to the console and then we are good. So now this is golden part about it now. So this is your console, your dashboard where the magic happens. You're the creator, you basically control this entire atmosphere. So you basically control this entire atmosphere, and the fact that you can literally start any app. So if you want to start an application, you have to just click one of these. If it's iOS that you want to build an iPhone app, Android, or you know web, or if you are building a game and you want to store game information or game resources. Yeah, that's how good it is. You can literally be a game dev and you can be using Firebase for your game devs, for your game development. So basically, they give you a lot of options here. If you want to monitor your application, analytics, and real-time events, you can actually upgrade free. You can actually upgrade to Blaze plan. Currently, you're automatically on a Spark plan, but you can upgrade to a Blaze plan. Yeah, like I said it well. You can start with authentication. There are basically many things you can actually do. You can start with auth, get started. You might want to get a class on cloud engineering. or like learn cloud technology to an extent, so that you can actually like do this or use this to a large extent, especially for things like setting up real-time databases and Firestore database. So there are different ways of authentication. If you want people to authentify by GitHub, by Apple, by Google, by Facebook, Play Games, Microsoft, Twitter, Game Center, or if you just want simple email and password, just put in their email and password, you can enable it here. Though all these ones are just simple switch buttons and all that stuff you can literally use, but still you might need to add some certain code. Or should they normally give you the code, you might need to write it down. Like here now, you might need to write some extra code, but this is where like this particular app I was reading was using email as password for its verification. This is to resend verification, do password reset or do password update. Man. So that is for the Firebase. You can literally pick anywhere you want. There are some places that you might need to add the SDK, and SDK is the kind of development environment or something like that, or a key that you can actually put like code you embed into your build or you embed into your development area that can actually help install that particular thing. So normally before you can get the Firebase working on your this thing on your project, you might need to install Firebase inside your project. Let's just go to the terminal and just do npm. That's if you're using JavaScript. Npm, which basically you must be using JavaScript. Npm install to make it global. G Firebase. That is to make the entire thing global. So you just like install it. If you click on, it's already installed on my laptop. But if you click install, you click enter, it will install it on your computer. It's already installed on mine. It will get resource then install automatically on your computer. So, so you go to Firestore database, then this will like give you all the entire thing. And if you also want to host, or if you want machine learning functions on your computer, on your project, you can have machine learning functions on your project to literally have machine learning functions on your project. Like you can get started, and when you get started, it does things like text recognition, image labeling, face detection. If you want those cool stuff, that's barcode scanning, object detection, language ID. See, they've made it easy. Don't be like Tola and put everything from scratch. They've made it easy. So yeah, so this is your project overview, and it does give you some certain things you can actually just choose from and just start doing. So check this out. That's my girlfriend is actually texting me, so I'm gonna reply to so if you want to add it to your app, you can add an app to get started. Basically, let's say for instance, you want to actually create a web, because as far I know the boss, I know the big game, I know the big games, and I know the boss better. So you can actually start building a web. You can add Firebase hosting if you want to add Firebase hosting, or you can just decide not to add Firebase hosting. Sometimes most of the apps I use actually use Netlify, and I use Netlify to host. So what you do is just put your app name here. You can say user one, user one, then add Firebase hosting, and then this will automatically register the app immediately. This can actually be changed later on. You can literally change this later. So yeah, it will automatically register the app. So you see that stuff I talked about, you install Firebase, that's using npm, you install Firebase, then automatically they give you the entire code handle to use. You will still shall need to know JavaScript or React or whatever you're using, you still shall to need to know and before you import them. That's just basically it. So now next, once you do this, next, then automatically they ask you to install Firebase CLI. So this allows you to carry out some certain Firebase commands in your terminal. If you don't know what the terminal is, which I believe you should know what the terminal is, this is the terminal basically where you install packages or tools into your project, or you can install it generally into your computer. That's if you're using things like this, and